Most gadgets look impressive at first, but very few are designed to solve a real problem efficiently. In this video, we will analyze practical tools available on Amazon, focusing on real-world use cases, measurable performance, and possible limitations. You can find all product links in the description below. No hype, just objective evaluation. Adventurers in remote areas face dead batteries, isolating them from communication when heavy power sources are impractical. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Pulse resolves this by converting fire heat into electricity to charge devices via an integrated USB port. It generates 3 watts of power, stored in a 3200 mAh battery, but the 5.1-pound weight is a significant drawback for long-distance hiking. This stove is ideal for off-grid survivalists, while remaining unsuitable for those prioritizing ultralight gear. Contaminated natural water sources pose a severe health risk to explorers in the wilderness. The SurviveMate filtered water bottle utilizes 5-stage filtration technology to remove 99.99% of harmful substances using a 0.01 micron membrane. It features a lifespan of 1,500 liters, yet the primary limitation is the increased suction effort required due to the dense filtration system. This tool is essential for emergency preparedness, whereas casual users might find it impractical for standard hydration. Carrying a heavy toolkit during outdoor tasks adds bulk and makes accessing specific tools inefficient. The RoverTech 18-in-1 multi-tool consolidates 18 functions, including pliers, a saw, and detachable scissors, into a rugged stainless steel frame. It features 9 screwdriver bits and a safety lock, though its 13.6-ounce weight can feel cumbersome in a standard pocket. This is an ideal solution for campers, whereas professionals might still require dedicated separate tools. Extreme wind and moisture render standard lighters useless, making it impossible to start a life-saving fire in the wild. The Firestarter Survival Tool addresses this with a 3/8-inch thick ferrocerium rod, designed to produce sparks in any weather condition. It delivers for 15,000 strikes and includes a multi-tool striker, though its primary limitation is the manual skill and physical effort required compared to a simple lighter. This kit is an essential asset for survivalists, yet too labor-intensive for casual campers. Needing powerful, flexible light while keeping hands-free is a constant struggle for nighttime explorers. The Wubin G5 EDC flashlight offers a versatile solution with its 180-degree rotatable head and strong magnetic base for hands-free operation. It delivers 400 lumens with various RGB modes, though the physical lockout mode can hinder rapid deployment in sudden emergencies. This light is perfect for maintenance, but may not appeal to those seeking extreme beam distances. Prolonged blackouts or dead devices during camping trips are obstacles that threaten emergency communication. The Anker PowerBank 548 provides a solution with a 60,000 mAh capacity and USB-C ports delivering up to 60 watts. It includes an XT60 port for solar input and a retractable emergency light, though the exclusion of a wall charger from the package is a notable limitation. This device is perfect for reliable home or base camp backup, though its weight may deter those traveling on foot. Manually inflating camp mattresses is exhausting and slow after a long day of hiking. The Eaton Wolf Air 3 air pump offers rapid inflation, filling up to 16 sleeping pads on a single charge with 0.65 psi of pressure. Weighing just 145 grams, it doubles as a 600 lumen camping light, though it is incapable of inflating car tires or sports balls. This device is perfect for air mattresses, but not intended for high-pressure equipment. Cooking on a single burner limits meal variety, often resulting in cold side dishes. The Nature Hike 2-burner folding camping stove provides dual burners with a combined 16,000 BTU output and piezo ignition. While its stainless steel body is ETL certified, its reliance on propane cylinders adds ongoing weight and logistical requirements. This stove is ideal for family camping trips, while remaining too bulky for solo, long-distance backpackers. Traditional heavy camping chairs consume excessive storage space and are cumbersome to carry. The Marchway lightweight folding camping chair utilizes an aircraft-grade aluminum frame to minimize wobble and support up to 330 pounds. It weighs only 2.7 pounds and packs down into a compact bag, though the seat fabric starts very snug, making the initial setup somewhat tight. This is an ideal seat for backpackers prioritizing weight, but it may not satisfy those who prefer high-profile, padded lounge chairs. Carrying mismatched domestic cookware on camping trips is noisy and wastes valuable backpack space. The Odaland 15 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit integrates 15 pieces into a nested design weighing just 2.75 pounds. Made from non-toxic anodized aluminum with thermally isolated handles, the non-stick coating requires gentle cleaning with a provided cloth to prevent damage. This set is perfect for couples or solo travelers, but it will be insufficient for larger groups. Most campsites lack clean, level surfaces for meals, leading to a disorganized outdoor setup. The King Camp aluminum camping table features a spacious surface for up to 8 people and a heat-resistant top that supports up to 176 pounds. It utilizes a one-action folding system for quick setup, though its 17.6-pound weight makes it difficult to transport long distances without a vehicle. This cable is excellent for RV trips and family BBQs, but far too bulky for minimalist backpackers. Sleeping directly on the ground during camping leads to back pain and body heat loss, preventing adequate rest. The Gonex camping cot offers a comfortable solution with an extra-wide surface and an aerospace-grade aluminum frame supporting up to 350 pounds. It features an upgraded lever locking system for a 60-second setup, though the pillow pocket is just a sleeve and requires stuffing with clothes to function. This cot is ideal for side sleepers needing space, rather than those who prefer thick air mattresses. Each of these tools is designed to solve a specific problem. The real value depends on your needs, your use case, and how often you'll use it. If one of them makes sense for you, you'll find all links in the description below. If you appreciate practical, objective gadget analysis, consider subscribing for future reviews. Thank you for watching.